drones observing your every move might make you feel like you're living in a city-shaped prison, what's bad news for society is good news for DedSec. You can hack those nosy little buggers and use them to scout ahead.
Awaiting area crime report. He might be.
Wait!
Something there.
I heard something. There! Did you hear that?
With disrupted noise.
There. Clear that.
What was that? Lord, we got trouble!
Go! Find the bomber!
Moving on.
Who's shooting?
I'll check it out. Shite. They're not there. Following her trail. Ah, fuck me. I'm getting shot at!
They're hit!
Use more muscle.
I can't do this anymore. Did that hurt?
I need backup.
You are going to hurt. Very bad.
Right, you can erase all record of their debt, putting our new friend back into the black and, more importantly, out of Frank Kelly's reach.
Brilliant! Ow! Ah! Let's see what we got. Feel it.
Change of position!
Getting a closer look.
I'm going in.
Transfer complete.
I'm moving in.
Coming for you. Closing in.
Giving me the run around, asshole.
Looks good. I'm moving on.
This fool is testing my patience.
Nothing here. Move on.
Down this. They're shooting. Taking.